friends, my name is Lauren and I'm a librarian at the Cranford Public Library. Welcome to week 8 of our We're Gonna Make It challenge. Each week I'll give you a new idea of something to build or make, and this week's theme is paper planes. Let's get started. Paper planes are great because all you need to make them is a sheet of paper. Start by folding your paper in half like this. Make sure to crease your paper well. Now we're going to unfold our paper, pick one corner, and fold it up towards the crease we've created in the middle of our page. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Our two edges should meet right in the middle of our page. We're going to flip our sheet over and fold our halves up to meet at the top. It should look just like this. We're going to fold our page so that the top meets at the bottom and they're even, just like this. And we're going to flip our page over and do the same thing on the other side. We want this top edge to meet this bottom edge nice and even, and give it a crease. We're almost finished. We need to fold down our wing one more time. So let's fold our top edge to meet the bottom. Give it a good crease. And then let's flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now all we need to do is flatten out our wings a little bit to give it that paper plane shape. And we're done. This looks great. You can keep your paper plane really simple and be done here, or you can decorate it. Or you could challenge yourself to create a plane that could fly with weight on it. I've got some pennies on my plane here. And if you're really up for a challenge, you can try creating a plane that flies very precisely. I used a small bin turned on its side as my bullseye. It can be very difficult to get a plane to fly where you want it to. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a simple paper plane. Remember, you can build using whatever supplies you have around your house. When you're done, have a grown-up submit your work to library@cranfordnj.org or post it directly in the comments below. Be sure to get your photos in by Tuesday night, and you can be included in our gallery on Wednesday and in next week's video. Now let's take a look at some of our incredible marble runs from last week's challenge.